Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure, here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students! Good morning, students. I hope all of you are feeling active and alive and ready to kickstart another poem in English today. So here's your teacher Inacia from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College wishing you yet another day of discovery. Have you enjoyed getting wet in the rain? Is it a pleasant experience? Most of you may say yes, but some of you may also say no. But do you know that unlike India, the children wait for rain after the winter in US? Strange, isn't it? But it's 100% true. So let us try to find out why Langston Hughes has titled his poem In Time of Silver Rain. In time of silver rain, in time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and all over the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too, in time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. By Langston Hughes. Before we do so, let us get acquainted with the great Langston Hughes, who was born in February 1901 and died in May 1967. He was an American poet, social activist, novelist, and playwright from Joplin, Missouri. He moved to New York City, where he made his career. He was the innovator of jazz poetry and is best known as a leader of Harlem Renaissance. This is a poem from his collection of poems entitled Fields of Wonder. You must be wondering why the poet refers to rain as silver. Is rain silver in color? No. So, it could only be a reference to the popular proverb, every cloud has a silver lining. What happens when it rains? Yes, there is a sea of greenery all around. Rain provides us with life by providing us with water. The word again here is interesting as it shows that the actions keep on happening again and again. Do flowers actually lift their heads? No, but they are personified for poetic effect. What the poet wants to convey is that nature is dressed in her best when it rains, and the wonder of life spreads. Yes, another personification to suggest how wonderful life is all about. I know you may be thinking at this time, what's so wonderful about being locked in? But happy realization. The wonder is that we are all alive and safe. Happy realization, isn't it? By the way, that too was a personification. Moreover, for use, it is the springtime rain that signals the end of winter and the coming of spring. Firstly, we see beautiful butterflies fluttering around in the hope of seeing a rainbow. Trees give birth to new leaves. The trees also rejoice with the arrival of rain in the spring. Can you catch a rainbow crying? No, but this is just another example of personification to show how happy the rainbow is when it rains, and it literally sheds tears of joy. Have you ever shed tears of joy? Can you share your experience? When it rains, it's not only nature that rejoices, but the whole of mankind. Isn't life wonderful? What do you enjoy the most in life apart from the rain? So many things. Isn't that what life is all about? So, therefore, my dear friends, I would like you to keep this in mind, that sound becomes music, movements become dance, smiles become laughter, thoughts become meditation, and life becomes a celebration. So, friends, what are you waiting for? Isn't it time to celebrate life? Until we meet again, here's your teacher and friend wishing you an exciting journey in the book of life. Stay safe and enjoy the rain. Thank you.